What's going on, guys? This is Ryan with Lionheart Detailing in Columbus, Ohio. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to get clients for your auto detailing business. Now, to give you a little bit of backstory, I started my business in September of 2020 in the back of my Nissan Maxima. And I think between then and the end of the year, I made maybe $4,000. To where now, every single month we are consistently getting about $15,000 to $20,000 gross with our mobile detailing business. Now we do mobile detailing and we kind of do some ceramic coatings in our garage as well. But these are just some tips to help get the ball rolling, get the phone ringing, and kind of get you a little bit of confidence and motivation behind you. So stay tuned. We got a couple different tips here to help get you started and structured in the right way. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I didn't know. When I first started, I didn't know anything. And I wish I had some videos out there. I know there's other guys that make videos, but I didn't, you know, it works differently for everybody. So this is just kind of what helped me out to be able to get me to where I am now. And hopefully, you know, it's just been put on my heart to be able to do the same for you guys. So hopefully you get some value out of this, and stay tuned. Alright, so you've either started your mobile detailing business, or you're thinking about starting a business, or you bought all your equipment and you're looking around just like thinking, what do I do next? You got your business cards made, you know, everything's legit, you got your name, Ryan Maxey, owner, Lionheart Detailing. You're standing on the top of a mountain with your cape, you know, flying behind you in the wind, and it is silent, right? Okay, so a lot of people, you know, they say to go pass out cards, go tell everybody, do this and do that, so on and so forth. Those are all great, but the way that I started out was, honestly, I went to friends and family. So friends and family are gonna be the people that want to support you, especially since you just started this business. You're looking to grow. You're telling them all your goals and your visions and how excited you are. So these people are going to be the ones that are going to want to most help you out in your new endeavors. So they're also going to be the most lenient with you too, because when I started, I didn't know anything. I watched a video from Detail Geek, and he just listed a whole bunch of stuff that he had in the bottom of the video, which I'll also list here too. And I just went through and I just clicked every link and I just bought it all. Yeah, I didn't know anything, so that's where I was starting out. So yeah, like I said, friends and family, they're going to be the most lenient with you. They're going to like let you take your time, and with them actually letting you take your time, you can actually get in there and kind of feel around and not be so rushed and have anxiety about what to do. You can actually figure out how to tackle a detail from start to finish. Just do your detail process. I recommend looking up some videos. We have a couple interior detailing videos, but you just get in there and you do your thing. And you're gonna want to find, you know, obviously some family that will allow you to do this, and then you're gonna want to take some before and after pictures. Number one, so you can kind of see the gauge of where you are evolving as a detailer, as a business owner. And then number two is because you can take those before and after pictures and then post them everywhere. And you're probably like, okay, Ryan, but where do I post these before and after pictures? And that is actually tip number two. Guys, you gotta go out there, and this is just what worked for me, is make a Facebook business page. So you have to separate your business from your actual personal page. This gives you a lot more credibility. You have an easier workspace and way better organization to be able to accomplish your goal. Because obviously, you want to take this thing to the moon and back. So you got to start the right way, you know. So make your Facebook business page, and you take those before and after pictures and you post them there. The great thing about starting with friends and family and then wanting to work for you and wanting your dreams to be actualized is that they will more than likely take those before and after pictures that you took, and they will post them on their page. And then what you could actually do is take a step further, is ask them to leave a review on your Facebook page. So you're knocking out like 4 birds with 1 stone on this. You're able to get in there, take your time, figure out how you're going to even do this for a real client, You're going to be able to take before and after pictures. You're going to not be stressed. You're going to be able to get those before and after pictures onto your portfolio, and then also potentially get a review out of this. And they're going to share this to their friends and family, and you're going to have your name out into a different tree of people that you would not have access to already at first. So I don't know if that was 4 or 5, but so much value out of starting with your friends and family. So you started with your friends and family, you got your Facebook business page out there. Now it's time to start posting, and the best way that I found is to find some town pages. So what I mean by that is if you go to Facebook and you're in, like, for example, I'm in Columbus, there's going to be all these different suburbs that have their own town pages to where they keep their residents up to date on current news, things that are going on in the community. You can also purchase, buy and sell things on there, kind of like Marketplace. And you just go there and you take your before and after pictures. You got your one review from your friends and family, and you just basically show it. And at first, this is the best time to do this is when you first started, because Facebook starts to learn the algorithm, and so like someone like me, my posts are no longer effective on those town pages because they know that I'm just there trying to sell my detailing services. But when you first start, post to these town pages as much as you possibly can, because you'll get all this visibility, especially when you have a dirty before picture and then the after picture, and then you get people to start commenting and liking on it. Your business is going to grow, the phone is going to start ringing, and it's basically off to the races from there. So go to Facebook, find those town pages, join every single one of them. When I started, I had 75 town pages. And I literally just shared my post to every single one of them, every single post, we've grown our Facebook business page and our business off of that very, very, very quickly. So there you have it, guys. You started your detailing business. Now you kind of have a little bit of a roadmap on what you can do to build a solid structure to be able to build off of. Like I said, these are just the tips that I used to get my detailing business to $15,000 to $20,000 a month. There's definitely way more levels to this, but this would kind of get your feet wet, get you in the water, learn about how the business works and how to market and how to talk to people and things like that. So let me know what you guys think. Leave us a comment, like the video, subscribe to our channel. We plan on making way more content to help you guys grow your detailing business here in the future. So once again, this is Ryan, Lionheart Detailing here in Columbus, Ohio. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.
You're mine for sure.